I'm using our new GoPro HERO 5 Black. Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. My husband bought this GoPro HERO 5 Black. We wanted to try it, especially now that we have the Slingshot, and see how it works. I know very little about them, so I'm reading up on it and experimenting.
The micro SD card is a class 10, and we were told we needed at least speeds up to 100. We purchased a 64 gigabyte. It inserts right next to the battery. We purchased the GoPro Shorty mini extension pole and tripod. It's very easy to install. And it will extend to different positions as a tripod.
I just found out how to turn on the voice command. Pull down the screen, and right here on the right hand side you'll see the face, and you touch it, and now the voice command is on. Now let's see how it works. Okay, you turn it on by pushing in this button on the side. You hold it in, the red light comes on, and there it is. We're going to try some of the commands. GoPro, start recording. And there it is. GoPro, stop recording. Wow, that's really cool. GoPro, take a picture. GoPro, shoot a burst. GoPro, start time lapse. GoPro, stop time lapse. GoPro, video mode. GoPro, turn off. Wow, that is awesome.
We also ordered from Amazon the dual battery charger and battery. That way we have an extra battery because the battery doesn't last very long when you're using a lot of video.
We're here at Bridal Veil Falls.
Yep, North Carolina on US Route 64. You used to be able to drive in there and drive under it, but they've blocked it off now.
There is a setting of video and photo. While you're recording a video, it will take photos every few seconds. That gives you an opportunity to have some photos along with your video. I hope this was helpful. I'll leave a link in the description below of the items that we purchased on Amazon. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.